Hey guys, this is Peter from GoodyReader.com, and this is the Kobo Libra H2O. This is the white edition. You can see that there is a sticker on the box. It isn't built into the box itself, although it's kind of funny because they have a sticker, but they have white on the color. So I'm wondering if the black version is black or it's just white with a white sticker. We don't know. We only have this one. Enough yammering. This is the continuation of the H2O, although it is 7 inches and the H2O was not. So the 7-inch realm is actually pretty untouched. Only the Oasis 2 and 3 touch the 7-inch realm. The Forma is actually 8, and the H2O is 6.8. Comfort Light Pro, that's the warm lighting, Wi-Fi, and waterproof. On a previous take, this didn't actually open, so I'm going to use my little knife thing here and get the rest of this going because the little rip strip didn't work. So the cardstock is very nice with a pattern on the inside. It's not just blank white or anything like that. This is pretty much the same design as the Forma. We'll compare that in the full review video. And we're leaving this till the very end like we usually do. You can explore the rest of the box. Quick start guide. You can pause the video at any point in time if you guys lose your quick start guide. It's Kobo Rakuten now, remember, not just Kobo. A lot of customer service information here, many different languages, help.kobo.com if you have any information you require. A lot of terms and conditions, warranty information, multiple languages, Japanese, French, and a language that I cannot decipher, maybe Swedish or something. And we are still running micro USB with a nice white micro USB cable. We're just going to leave this in the box because we have so many USB cables, we don't feel the need to actually take new ones out. Now for the device itself. It is very nice seeing a white Kobo. There's not too many of them out there. Very nice pattern. They've always been very artistic with their patterns. You can see there's these dots, but there are also lines in the dots, and they're all kind of different thicknesses. You have a button at the bottom with... Oh, cool, it's glass or plastic over it. I thought it was a little tab screen protector. You can see that it is shiny, and the rest of the device is matte. Rakuten Kobo is embossed in the device. Nothing on one side, nothing on the second, nothing on the third, and just like the Forma, the USB port is at the bottom with all the certifications, Libra H2O, etc. Now, the device does have that little bend that the Forma employs that was inspired by the Oasis, we'll say. And it is a symmetrical / asymmetrical design. It would be the same this way or asymmetrical this way. And the device gets thinner the closer you go to the tip. But that basically is everything that comes along in the box. As we usually do, we will leave the rest of the turn-ons and everything for the full review video itself, but that is what comes in the box. And this is an optional accessory. It does not come with the device by default unless you've bought some sort of bundle or something. This is the sleep cover, and we're just going to include it in this video instead of having a separate video. So we have the sleep cover with some little bends, and that is why, because you put it in there and you can bend it and you can stand it up in various different ways like so. So that's kind of cool. I don't know how difficult this will be to put in, and the power button goes in that way, and I guess it just, oh, it's pretty easy, just snaps in like that. You can close it, and the case itself does have a little bit of a bend, and it does have give, and it is magnetic, and it acts as a sleep cover, and it's obviously from Kobo Rakuten, so it is all laser cut, especially the power button at the back. So this is everything that comes in the box with the optional sleep cover case for GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the Kobo Libra H2O. Stay tuned for more stuff on YouTube.com/GoodyReader. This is Peter.